everyone, and welcome to a very Christmassy hair video. I know my videos have been all over the place at the moment. I haven't been able to upload when I usually do. I was ill. No, it wasn't COVID. It was actually a normal cold. Do you remember one of those? Yeah, I haven't had one for a while. But you do begin to think, oh my God, that's it, I've got COVID, haven't I? But no, did the PCR test. And I love the fact that we feel we have to say that these days. You know, oh yeah, I've been ill lately. Don't worry, it wasn't what you think it was. Anyway, I'm all better now. Been super busy, but I think this will be my last video that I can get out before Christmas and it all goes crazy, and I probably won't be able to do another video until the new year. So with this video, I found one of these amazing, sparkly, beautiful butterflies. I can't remember what shop I found it in. Not an expensive one. I think I got maybe 4 for about £1.50. So I was quite happy with that. And then I've just got a little bit of tinsel that you'll need to wrap around at the end, loads of bobby pins, and a few clear elastic bands. Now, as you can see, I've actually already prepared my hair, just because doing these ponytails, it takes a bit of time and it might be a bit boring for you. So what I've done is 2 ponytails, and then I've left out this piece of hair at the end. Now, this is completely up to you. You can just put it into 2 ponytails, but I like what it looks like when you sort of loop it slightly. For my face shape, it seems to suit me quite well, but you can play around. to you where you want to put the butterfly. I really like it on the side. Some people put it right at the bottom. Of course, yours might not necessarily be a butterfly. It might be a sparkly star or something. But what I also have is one of these, I always call these wedding pins. And these actually have a few holes in. So I'm just going to sort of put the pin through there just to hold down that top part slightly. And voila. So it just holds it a little bit more in place. And sometimes I do take out my little bit and then ta-da! So all in all, I think that probably takes about 15 minutes. Maybe leave a little bit of extra time to sort of practice. It might take 20 minutes, but I probably used about 20 bobby pins. Because obviously when it comes to Christmas Day, I'm going to want it to stay in and be totally solid. And for me, I don't really notice that they're in there, but I know a few people do find them a little bit irritating. So if you can work around that and maybe only use 10 or 15. Obviously I had to use more pins because I decided to keep this bit out and wrap it round at the very last moment. But if you just decide to do 2 ponytails, then you probably won't need so many bobby pins. So that is it for today. My Christmas look. Quite easy, quite simple, and I look forward to using it on Christmas Day. But anyway, I hope everyone is getting into the festive season. I'm very, very much looking forward to having a few days off. So yes, I apologise for not uploading as many videos. I've also been going through a skin journey, which I probably will do a video on at some point, about eczema. You've probably noticed it in a few other videos when I'm doing my hair. Anyway, it got to the point where it was just unbearable. So I decided to go to a lady, a food lady I call her, to sort me out. And I will tell you about the journey, just in case anyone else out there also suffers from eczema. But it does keep you busy, and it kept me extremely busy. So I wasn't able to do all of the videos that I wanted to. So anyway, yes, I hope everyone has an incredible Christmas and you eat a ridiculous amount of turkey and chocolate and whatnot. And yes, just have a fabulous time, smile, and I really hope that this Christmas is going to be just a little bit better than last year. Okay, everyone, see you in the new year.